Hello, hello, hello. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel, I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. In today's video, I am going over how to add a new customer to QuickBooks Online. One of the reasons I make these videos is to show people what all QuickBooks can really do. So many of my clients and business owners I meet think that since they own a hair salon, they need special hair salon software, or because they own an auto shop, they need pricey auto shop software. But in reality, most of the pricey specialty software is a generic, gussied up version of QuickBooks anyways. You have your customers and your vendors, your invoices, and your ways to take payments, etc. This is the accountant version of QuickBooks Online for my fellow home bookkeepers and accountants. For the business owner view of QuickBooks, check out my business owner view tutorial playlist. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Sales tab on the left-hand side toolbar. Once in the Sales screen, click on the Customers tab. In the Customers tab, you'll find an overview like you do on many other screens to help you keep track of what bills and invoices are out there. In the light blue box, we have current estimates. In the dark blue box, we have unbilled activity. Orange is always overdue, gray is open invoices that are not yet due, and green is what's been paid in the last 30 days. And below that is a list of all of your current entered customers. To create a new customer, click the green New Customer button in the top right of your screen. Once in the customer screen, it's important to add as much data as possible, at least an email address and full name. Once done, click the green Save button. Now you're ready to create a bill or an invoice. For more business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And for even more behind-the-scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you need more assistance, personal financial coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.